going? So I am back today with another press-on nail haul. So I have a few nails that I want to show you guys today. So I did pick up some nails from the beauty supply store. I did pick up some from Walmart, and I also did shop at ikhouse.com. So ikhouse.com is not sponsored, guys. Absolutely love that website. If you go on the website, they usually have great deals where you can get buy one get one free or buy one get one 50% off on the nails. So make sure you check out the website. The shipping is pretty quick. Hashtag not sponsored. I just absolutely love that website. So I'll leave that information down below. If I could find the nails on Walmart that I purchased, I'll leave those down below as well. Make sure you go ahead and hit up Walmart. They have some really hidden gems in there. Absolutely great and expensive products. Everything I bought today, individually, the items are under $7, which is really good. Now, you guys know with my past experience with press-on nails, this has been the best experience for me. I save money, and I'm still able to get really nice sets done at home by myself. So guys, that's enough talking. Let's just jump right into the video. Alright guys, so if you did not watch my last press-on nail haul, make sure you go ahead and click the cards and check that video out. Some of the items I may show you guys may be replicas from last video, but you know I had to restock. So starting off, I'm going to show you guys the GoldFinger brand that I got from the beauty supply store. So I have 8 sets to show you guys, so stay tuned or bear with me. So the first 2 colors I'm going to show you guys, I've already featured these before. You guys already seen this. I'll try to bring it up on the side screen so that it shows clearly because it probably is washing me out at this point. So this is the Coffin Style nail. Absolutely love a Coffin Style nail. Both of these sets are matte colors, guys. Absolutely love a matte nail. Now, I got the baby blue. This is a very nice, bright baby blue, electric baby blue. You guys seen me wear this color before. It's press-on nails. If you ever seen me with this color, they're press-on nails. Now, I always get this light kind of pink color as well, too, because it's just nice, a fresh color for the springtime. Just love these 2 colors. I usually wear these all year round, so every time I go to the beauty supply store, I always get a double or like a second pack of them just because I'm like, I always wear them anyways. Absolutely love these. Now, these I usually get for $4.99. I can find them the cheapest for $4.99. If it's ever marked for like $5.49, I won't buy it because I know that these are marked as $4.99 at most places. So if I go to a beauty supply store, guys, and I see that the price is high, if there's always, usually in New York, there's always another beauty supply store like down the street. So what I'll do is I will leave that one, go to the next one, see if the price is different. If it's cheaper, buy it there. If it's not, go back to the other one. I don't care. I'm trying to save all the coins. So that's what I do. But these will always most likely be $4.99. So the next 6 sets are Coffin Style. They're long, pretty. Now I'm going to start off with the first one. These are colors that I've never seen before, so they're very nice. So this one is the only shiny set I got. This is like a lavender pastel purple color, guys. Absolutely love this. I sometimes do shiny nails. I don't do shiny nails all the time, but when I get a really nice color like this or nice set, I always go for it. So this is the first time I've ever seen this set in this color, so I had to grab it. Absolutely love it, guys. They are long, so, you know, coffin, so they look really, really good. And one thing I didn't mention, these come with 24 nails in it, guys, so you can go ahead and like mix and match. If one falls off, you know, you're good enough to go ahead and just grab another one, file it up, and then put it on. Each of these packs come with the nail glue, the nails, and a little filer so you can do the job. Now, the next set I got is another blue set, but this blue set is not like the one I showed you guys before. This one is new. I've never seen this color in this shape ever. So, compared to the one on the bottom, obviously this one is very, very bright. This one's a little bit more on the lighter pastel kind of baby blue color, which I was obsessed with when I saw. It is matte as well too, and you guys know I love a matte nail. So when I saw this one, I had to grab it, guys. Absolutely stunning. And like I said, they're coming out with new colors for the season, so never seen this before until now, and I absolutely love this blue matte. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, the next 2 colors I'm going to show you guys are in the red family. If you like red, I've been wearing red nails lately just because it gives you that little extra oomph to your look. So I've been trying out red nails lately. So these are the next 2 I'm going to show you guys. Very deep burgundy red color, absolutely bitching. Like, you get that really fiery, like, Halloween look with them. But like I said, I wear colors all year long. I don't really care what season it is. If they look nice on, I'm going to put them on. The bright red matte ones are absolutely stunning. I actually ended up buying another pack and I wore it already. I absolutely love this red one. It's super matte. They're long, very bitching look. I absolutely love these, so I'm going to have to go back and buy another set of these. These I usually wear if I feel like it. They're not my first choice to go ahead and wear. This is really my first choice, but I had to grab 2 to show you guys. Absolutely love these like red colors. Like come on. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is a gray one. Never seen long coffin ones in the gray. If you guys have seen it at your beauty supply store way before I'm saying this right now, just let me know down in the comment section. But I have not seen gray long coffin ones. These are actually new as well too. Now these that I showed you, all the long coffin ones, I found them for $6.49. To be honest, $6.49 for these is probably all the other stores probably sell for the same price. I probably won't even be able to find these for $5.99. So $6.49 was the price on all of the coffin long ones. So the gray ones, I got them in a shorter size from an IK house, a short coffin size. I like that, but I really like the length on these long ones. So I really wanted to get this one. Never seen the color like this in this shape, guys. So it's the first time, so I had to go ahead and grab it. Now the last one is by far my favorite. Like I said, these colors are new to me. I've never seen them in the beauty supply store before, so when I saw this one, I was super excited. So this is a tan color nail. It's like a nice nudie matte nail. And when I tell you guys these are matte nails. Like they look super sleek on. So this is a nice nude color. I've never ever gotten a nude set like this. Coffin style, like I said, super long, super bitchin'. Super excited to get these, guys. So I definitely went and picked these up. Like I said, it was my first time seeing these different colors, so I'm gonna test them out. I want to show you guys the video. I didn't try any of these yet, so I'm probably gonna have to go back and pick out some more just because those colors are perfect for the spring and summer. Alright guys, so moving along. So the next brand that I picked up was at Walmart. So this is the LA Colors Nail Frill High Gloss Artificial Nail Tip Kit, and these are the neon colors. So I'm really not someone that's like too big into neon colors, but I want to try these out. So I'm gonna bring them to the screen. It'll probably wash me out, but that's fine. So the first one I got is neon color. This is highlight. These are coffin shaped, guys, so keep that in mind. So these are listed as $3.98 at Walmart. I'm not even kidding to you. These come with 33 nails in the pack, so you get extra nails. So this is highlight. This is the first color. I don't usually do colors like this, but it's a hot girl summer if COVID-19 goes away, so I wanted to wear like some fun little colors this summer. I also got it in this color pink. The actual security check, I had to pull the top off. I'm not sure what color this is, but I'll insert it down below for you guys. Everything will be on the side screen. Don't worry. So the next color I got is this one right here, which is kind of like a nice green, like bright green color. Absolutely love it, guys. Like I said, $3.98. It comes with 33 piece nails. I was often wearing they have another like set, which is the lighter color. Hopefully I can insert it in the video. You should get that set, which is like a neutral kind of like light ombre pink color, which is absolutely stunning. But I decided to go ahead and just pick these three out because I want to show you guys that Walmart also has press-on nails. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. They're highlight, neon, bright colors for the summertime, so I had to get my hands on these. Like I said, I'll show it to you guys on the side screen, but these are only at $3.98 and they do the biz. Alright guys, so the last brand I'm going to show you guys is the Salon Perfect. Now 2 of these I actually lost the box for, so I'm going to just show them on the side screen, the design. Now I picked these up at Walmart. These are priced at $5, I believe $5.64, so under $6 for these. Now these are more intricate with style and design, guys. Like I said, I'll bring it up to the side screen to show you. Very more designy. The first set is a pink set and has kind of like the accent nails, which I really like. What I like to do with these nail sets, guys, I usually like to take some of these out and put them with different color nails and kind of make like a fun design. Because it does have like the accent nails in it, you can go ahead and mix this with different sets, so I really like that. Now these fit very nice. I believe this comes with 24 pieces in the pack. I also got it in this nice cute little black design too, a black and white marbled kind of nail set, which I thought was super nice. Sometimes I'll get like plain black coffin nails and I'll mix it with this black coffin design set and just kind of expand the nails a little bit, if you know what I mean. So I like to get at least two packs of some type of design in the nail. So I got a black pack and kind of pink pack, and with the other coffin nails that I have, I can just mix and go around with it and play around with it. But these are super cute, and like I said, they're only like $5.64, which is a great deal. Now this one I actually picked up because I saw this one and I was like, you know what, whatever, I'm gonna get it. So this is a modern French nail set from Salon Perfect. I believe this was like $6.83. Now these are super gorgeous. Now I don't really like intricate styles like this. I don't really go for all the details. Even when I was getting my nails done at the salon, I would just go for basic bitchin' nude. So this is a little bit intricate, guys. It has designs and all that kind of stuff. This is a coffin style nail. I'll put it up to the side screen. Absolutely stunning. Love this coffin set, guys. Really bitchin', really nice. So with this one, I'm probably gonna wear this if I have like somewhere to go, like really somewhere to go after COVID-19. I do have 2 trips planned, so we'll see. So I really like this set, guys. Super nice, super pretty. And like I said, sometimes I'll pick out like really fancy ones, and just to show you, Walmart does have like those little gems. The other day I went in there, I was like, what the hell? So they do have little gems. They'll have like nice nail designs and all that kind of stuff. So you just have to look. I went to the Walmart in Connecticut, so yeah. So there's not a Walmart in New York in general. So I drove to Connecticut and got myself some nails at the Walmart. Yeah. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's press-on nail review. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure you leave your comments down below. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.